Hi, I'm Jordan Geurts from EMT International, and I'm here today to talk to you about our fan folding technology. This fan folder is servo-controlled, variable length, and functions in a variety of stocks and lengths for your fan folded output. This, I'd say, is a really good example of EMT utilizing an existing technology that's been tried and true, proven in the field on offset for decades, and bringing it up to the next level for digital print by utilization of servo technology, registration control, and web management, all by EMT. So we bring in this hardware, put our controls on it, package it up exactly the way our customer needs this solution to work, and integrate it to our perfing technology. So this is a variable length fan folder, can fold perf lengths between 6 inches and 17 inches. It's a very robust design, up to 1,000 feet per minute operation here, with substrates as low as 27 pound and up to 12 point. The fan folded product is delivered here on a delivery conveyor, this stream here. It is then handled either by the operators, or EMT offers a down stacker as well at the end of this conveyor to help with the handling of that product. If you'd like to know more, we'd love to hear from you.